Hello, welcome to this video on how to fish in Bit Heroes. So if you don't know how to fish yet, this video is for you. So I think when you start fishing, everyone gets bait, but then how do you actually get to the fishing area? So you have to come by the dock area and there's this boat, and you can click on this boat, or alternatively, you can click on this fishing icon over here, and then I'm not going with you. Can stay me the trouble and try blast those schools. She's always nagging at me. Take these baits. So when you first started out fishing, you will get about 100 bait to start with. So this is 60, 29, and in total it'll add up to 100 bait. And you also get a generic bob and also a generic wooden fishing rod. You can collect about 20 fishing baits for each day. So the 20 fishing baits will also be random in rarity. So if you're very lucky, you might get 3 legendary baits, or else you might get just 20 common baits. Click here to travel to the fishing location. So yeah, this is my character. I think it's Friendly Shadow, and to start fishing, basically you just have to stand at the edge of the water and press the start button to begin. So it even tells you here, we are currently using common bait. I think ensure that you are not using legendary bait, because you probably want to save the legendary bait for a legendary rod or something. So press start, and then this meter would move from left to right. So click cast when the bar below is completely full. So on the right hand side, you can see that the number is 40, and on the left hand side, you can see the number is 20. So the maximum range that you can cast is 40. We do not know currently what is the effects of the cast distance, definitely. But what I believe is that the further your cast distance, the higher rarity of fish you can get. Or at least the higher weight of the fish you can get. So I got 35, not too bad. So after you press catch, you have to click catch when the fish aligns at the green bar. So if I manage to align the fish at the green bar and press catch at the correct time, you'll be able to catch the fish. So the green bar stands for 100% catch rate, the yellow bar stands for 75% catch rate, the orange bar stands for 50% catch rate, the red bar stands for 25% catch rate, and outside of the bar stands for 0% catch rate. So let's try again and let us look at the different colors of the bars once again. 33%, not too good. But let's look at the colors. We have green bar over here, 100%, yellow bar, 75%, orange bar somewhere here, 50%, and red bar is at the end. So there's also a time limit, so make sure you catch within the time limit as well. So thankfully I've landed on the 100% catch rate again, and success here, we caught a goldfish. So yeah, this is how to fish in Bit Heroes. Thank you very much. And once again, I am Friendly Shadow. Bye.